ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನನ್ನನ್ನೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಅವಾಗದಿಂದ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನಿಂತು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ನನ್ನನ್ನು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಪುನಃ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದಿರಾ? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಈಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಓಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾರು ನೀವು? See what he's doing now. Is this better than street dogs? People talk about street dogs, right? From half an hour he's waiting for me. I was feeding here. Chand had not come from past 4 days. He was eating so much. He's under treatment and he has tumor. I found one new dog also. I was feeding that. In this 10:22 p.m. he is coming back of me. Stray guy. I'm seeing from half an hour. He goes front, comes back. And I started asking question. He ran up. If he was actually a nice person, he would have told me something. He's literally seeing me. When I asked him, illi yake nintidira? He ran off. We come here and do seva. People should understand that when we are feeding, okay, what we are doing. People talk about dog bites, rabies and all those stuff. They are animals, right? ಇವರು ಮನುಷ್ಯರಲ್ಲ. ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ?